Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Thursday, July the 15th. We are in the middle of earnings season. Had some good numbers coming out, so far so good. Markets are up and gold is up at the same time, so that's a good sign all the way around. Let's get straight to the two press releases we got for you. First up is Osisko, trades on the big board TSX on the stock symbol OSK, no stranger to AGORACOM TV. We've reported a lot on them a lot. Looks like their highlight hole in their headline, 0.82 grams ton of gold over 197 meters. This comes out of initial drill results from the 2009-2010 definition drill program. And for those of you aware that in this industry, definition drilling means they're getting even more specific, getting a better idea of what they've already got. It adds on to existing drill results that have already come out. This on their Western Porphyry Zone, which is located in Osisko's 100% owned Amphi property. That's located immediately adjacent to the Canadian Malartic property. It's approximately 1.8 kilometers northwest of the crusher and the 55,000 ton per day mill currently being constructed for the Canadian Malartic project. In addition to the highlight hole I gave you in the headline, they've also got 137.8 meters averaging 0.93 grams per ton of gold. So big numbers out of the company. Sean Russom, President and CEO of the company, had this to say: the positive results, in addition to what Golden Valley Mines and Osisko have already reported from the Jeffrey Zone to the east, suggest there's excellent potential at new ounces at Malartic. These deposits will most likely add future feed to the mill, thereby extending the life of the milling complex. Closed yesterday, 11.49, right off its 52-week high of 12.54 or 12.45. Good for them, and almost about 80 or 90% above its 52-week low of $6.42. Next up, East Asia Minerals also made a lot of news on AGORACOM TV. TSX under the stock symbol EAS. They announced that they encountered, listen to this, 3.07 grams ton of gold over 29 meters, and that's within 71.3 meters grading 1.95 grams per ton of gold. Where is this? This is at their Miwa main zone. This is northern Sumatra, Indonesia, and they're saying this confirms continuity of mineralization. There's infilling an area where previous drilling, encountered 2.25 grams ton of gold over 143 meters. That's a monster number, and including 4.3 grams ton of gold over 51 meters. They also had a couple of other great holes. Go take a look at the press release. Some great holes that they encountered. Who is the company? They're an Asian-based Canadian mineral exploration company. They've got some properties around, but Indonesia is their focus. The company's got 70 to 85% interest in 6 advanced gold and copper projects, and this is an update, it looks like, to the description of the company. 2 of those advanced gold and gold copper projects are being advanced to define an NI 43-101 compliant resource. Don't have a date for that, but that's always great. We like to see that. It just keeps moving them up the food chain. Now, closed yesterday at 610. That's right at their 52-week low, so got to take a look at that. Maybe it's taking a breather. Do your own due diligence. 52-week high, $8.73. So not a big drop off their 52-week high. And like I said, the stock may be taking a breather, especially given the fact we're in July, and we've definitely seen some selling may go away, selling take place, especially in some of the bigger gainers. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 2 great press releases for you. If you're watching this on AGORACOM, then watch this show. Take a look at the headlines and get into our marketplace. If you're watching this on Global Investor, then take a look below me or to the left, depending on what page you're watching this on. You'll see the best press release over the past few days and some great webcasts and other material you need to lead you to your next great small cap investment. That's a wrap. Have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow.